We obviously took a wrong turn, which was going to take us through the town of Sylvan Lake.
In 300 meters, turn right onto 50th Avenue.
There, I can see it right here now.
The road that we were traveling on, unbeknownst to us, the lake was just north of the road that we were taking through Sylvan Lake.
In 200 meters, 50th Avenue turns right and becomes Lakeshore Drive, Alberta 11A.
I'm going right, am I?
300 meters at the roundabout, take the third exit onto Alberta 20 North. Exit the roundabout onto Alberta 20 North. Continue on Alberta 20 North for 3 kilometers. In 600 meters, turn left onto Township Road 392. Take the next left onto Township Road 392. In 500 meters, turn left at Range Road 13A. Take the next left at Range Road 13A. In 300 meters, turn left onto Range Road 13B.
$41 a night. I'll open the door. We don't have a reservation.
How many nights?
Cheaper if you buy two. We are getting this campsite here, 139. Well, here's our campsite for one night. Well, Sandra's got the fire going. I'm gonna go for a little walk. Go take a look at the lake, because it is threatening to storm here. dangerous steep banks. This is Sylvan Lake.
So it was fairly cold when we got to this campground. It was very windy, cold, and threatening to rain. The town of Sylvan Lake was on the other side, on the southeast side of the lake.
Ooh, kind of cool. Well, I'm going to walk back to the old Walter, our motorhome, who's managing to keep going on this trip, on this journey. Oh, there's foot trips. Oh, look at this. There could be garter snakes around here. I don't think I want to put my money in that bank. They're pretty steep. So I was thinking, because of them steep banks, that steep bank, I don't think I want to put any money in that steep bank. If you put money in that steep bank, you might lose it.
Later that night, I went back to the lake, to the steep bank. Not to put money in there, but to look across the lake on the other side at the lights of Sylvan Lake.
And back to the fire.
The next morning, we went over to the office to find out if we could stay another night. When we found out that campsite wasn't available, we had a decision to make.
Here at Jarvis Bay, and kind of cold. Apparently the site we're at, somebody else is going to be using it. So for that reason, we're going to tear down, head home. This is going to end our journey, unless we get halfway home and want to stop somewhere, but we'll see. Yeah, but anyway, we're walking back to tear things down. But now we're going to tear everything down and head on home. So, or wherever we end up. So we're going to put everything away. And you ready?
I'm ready.
Ready, Eddie? So it's been fun, or a little bit of a stay. Apparently this is already booked for tonight, so I know we were thinking of booking for another night, because it's booked for tonight for this. We're not able to, so okay. Next shot you'll see us heading down the road.
You have to roll up a wet rug.
No. Good thing that we didn't.
Yeah.
Good thing we didn't put the rug out this time. We used the natural gravel or stone. I call it the natural stone carpet.
On the road again.
So we turned north on Highway 20. Our plan was to take Highway 20 as far as Warburg. Rimbey 40. Our trip home was going to take about 2 hours. But thanks to video editing, let's see if we can make it in less than 10 minutes. Look at that, we've already made it to the Bentley roundabout. Since old Walter, our motorhome, we usually drove a little bit slower. We would, whenever we had a chance, pull over to the right and let traffic go by. Oh, we got some traffic in behind us, so I think I'll pull over here a little bit and let them by. Well, this is Rimbey right here, I think.
Yeah.
Fast gas. Shell station. Well, it was time to fuel up. Shell, we can get 3 cents off a liter. Here the price was $1.48.9. And then we were going to go have something to eat. So we stopped in and had some Chinese food at the Happy Valley restaurant before proceeding on our way. On Highway 20, headed north, past what was that town? Winfred? Yeah. While we head on down the highway to Warburg, I need to share about our dash cam that we're using. It is a Reload dash cam that we purchased a while back from Canadian Tire. It says it's an HD 720p camera. However, you can record as high as 1920 by 1080. Because of frames per second, it probably is only as clear as 1280 by 720. However, this dash cam has proved to have very good sound compared to other dash cams. Now, I have invested in new cameras, new dash cam that is a 4K camera. We took some video with this new dash cam and I shared it on the other YouTube channel, TRO Travel. Here is a sample of that video.
Valley that way and Leduc that way.
That passed by quick.
What?
We're already showing up at Highway 39.
A service station L site that's looks like it's no longer open.
So we're going down 39 just a little ways to the gas station at the entrance going south to Warburg.
Yeah, 152.9.
So we stopped here to go grab some coffee, use the washroom, then we had to backtrack over to secondary highway 770 where we continued to head north.
Coffee, hot cappuccino, slush.
Yeah.
Now I know I had more footage on this dash cam, but I'm not sure where it is. It might still be in the dash cam. Anyway, we were only a few more minutes from home. To avoid you being bored watching our last few miles on 770 up to the Yellowhead and then headed east back home, so we're going to end it here. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and hope you enjoyed watching this last part of our journey. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video, and God bless. At the time posting this video, in Canada have an election coming up, so the consideration is to pray for our government and all who are in high position, that we may lead a peaceful and quiet life, godly and dignified in every way.